Good morning, children. Let's do the prayer. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्ही से पाए हम। तुम्ही से है आगाज, तुम्ही से अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरु का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। तुम्ही से है हर सुबह, तुम्ही से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। Many children have sung this poem and sent to me. There are still few of them who haven't sent. Please ये आपको सीखना है और वीडियो करके भेजना है. Alright? Now let's start with English. Come to page number 67. Page number 67. The chapter's name is The Egg. What is the chapter's name? The Egg. First, I will read the chapter and explain the chapter. After that, you all need to read it. Okay? So, baby parrot lived in a nest with mummy and a big white egg. So, who is this? It's the baby parrot. Whom did he live with? Baby parrot was living with mummy parrot and one big egg. मतलब बेबी पैरट किसके साथ रह रहा था? मम्मी पैरट से के साथ और एक बड़ा एग. I'm going to find some food, said mummy one day. मम्मी ने क्या बोला? I will go and find some food. You must look after the egg until I return. मम्मी ने इस बेबी पैरट को क्या काम दिया था? To look after the egg. एग को देखना है जब तक मम्मी पैरट वापस नहीं आएंगे. बेबी पैरट watched the egg for a very long time. क्या हुआ? बेबी पैरट ने क्या किया? एग को बहुत टाइम तक देखता रहा. She moved it around to make sure it was comfortable. बेबी पैरट अपने हाथ में लेके वो एग को इधर से इधर मूव कर रहा था. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको ये श्योर करना था कि वो एग को कोई तकलीफ ना हो. She wrapped her wings around it to make sure it was warm. उसने क्या किया? अपने विंग्स के अंदर एग को रैप कर दिया और she made sure that the egg was feeling warm. उसको बहुत अच्छा से रखा उसने. I'm very good at looking after eggs, she thought. उसने अपने दिमाग में क्या सोचा कि मैं बहुत ही अच्छी हूँ एग्स देखने के पीछे. Okay, so I'm very good at looking after the eggs. Just then, she heard the monkeys playing in the trees. Baby parrot tried to call like a monkey. Too, she peered over the edge of the nest and laughed at their games. क्या हुआ था? तभी उसने किसको देखा? सुना मंकीज को. मंकी क्या कर रहे थे? They were playing in the trees. बेबी पैरट ने क्या किया? उसने मंकी की तरह बुलाने को चालू किया. She peered over the edges of the nest. ऊपर से देखना था छुप के से. And laughed at their games. और वो जो गेम्स खेल रहे थे उस पे हंस रहा था. Suddenly, baby parrot remembered the egg. सडनली क्या हुआ? उसको एकदम सडनली याद आया एग के बारे में. शी लुक्ड अराउंड एंड गल्प्ड. मतलब उसने टर्न किया और देखा एग को और अपना सलाइवा, अपना स्पिट को गल्प किया. इट वॉज ब्रोकन. क्या हुआ? एग को क्रैक आ गया. देखिए यहाँ पे. मम्मी वुड बी एंग्री. और उसको क्या हुआ? उसको डर लग गया था कि मम्मी अभी बहुत बहुत गुस्सा करेंगे. बट वेन मम्मी रिटर्न शी वॉजंट एंग्री एट ऑल. पर क्या हुआ? जब मम्मी वापस आई शी वॉजंट एंग्री एट ऑल. अभी यहाँ तक ही पढ़ेंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट. अभी नेक्स्ट उसमें मैं आगे पढ़ाऊंगी. Let me read this one more time. What you have to do is you have to read this and send me a video. Okay? Baby parrot lived in a nest with mummy and a big white egg. I'm going to find some food, said mummy one day. You must look after the egg until I return. Baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. She moved it around to make sure it was comfortable. She wrapped her wings around it to make sure it was warm. I'm very good at looking after eggs, she thought. Just then she heard the monkeys playing in the trees. Baby parrot tried to call like a monkey too. She peered over the edge of the nest and laughed at their games. Suddenly, baby parrot remembered the egg. She looked around and gulped. It was broken. Mummy would be angry. But when Mummy returned, she wasn't angry at all. Okay, so we are doing till here. You all need to read so much. Take a video and send it to me. There is no writing word for English today. Okay? So you will read this much, take a video and send it to me. Now we'll do phonics. Come to page number 48. Page number 48. What is written here is circle the word shown in the picture. Okay? So what we have to do is ये picture किस चीज का है वो word को आपको circle करना है. You can use pencil, you can use crayons. Okay, so what is this? It's an ant. So what will you circle? Is this the spelling of ant? This is can. This is ant. This is tan. And this is pant. So आप किसको circle करेंगे? Ant को. Similarly, you will do for this and this. So, and after that you will also do this page, page number 49, where the pictures are given. Okay, very simple this is. You just need to circle the words. Okay, now we are going to do maths. Come to page number 63. Page number 63. We are doing the concept of in and out. Okay, in and out. In matlab andar, out matlab bahar. Okay, so very simple examples I'm showing you first so that you can understand the concept better. Okay, so these are the coasters and this is the coaster holder. Okay, so right now all the coasters are in the coaster handle holder, but if I take out one coaster and keep it here, so this is out and this is in. These coasters are in, this coaster is out. Okay, so this is one example. Then one more example I can show you is, this is a paint box. This blue paint is out, this green paint is in. Okay, so the other paints are in, but one paint is out. And if I shut the box, this is out and these are in. Okay, so this is how in and out. One more example we will do. So this crayon is in the box, but this green color crayon is out of the box. So this is out and these are in the box. So if I shut it, this is in the box and this crayon is out. Okay, so like this only you will also send me some examples. Okay, then we have this. I have my bag out here. Okay, my bag, and this is Fevicol. Okay, so this Fevicol right now is out, but I'm putting it in. So this will become in the bag. When I'm taking it out from the bag, it is out of the bag. So this is out. If this goes in, it is in the bag. Similarly, I have this one shopping bag, okay? And I will put this bag inside this. So right now it is empty. But when I'm putting this inside, so this is in the bag. But when I take it out, it becomes out of the bag. Okay? So in, out. In, out. So these are a few examples that I can tell you about in and out. Now what is written out here? Color the rectangle below the picture showing puppy in the basket. Now there are two puppies here. Okay, one is out of the basket and one is in the basket. So which one will you color? You will color the one which is in the basket. You can just color with any crayon. Okay. Color the rectangle below the picture showing a man outside the car. Okay. So this man is inside the car and this man is outside the car. So which picture will you color? You will color this. Okay. You will write your name, take a picture and send only of this much part. This we'll do on another day. So this much part, and you will take videos of showing me how it is in the box or in the bag or outside the bag, whatever you like. Okay. So I want to see a few pictures from your end or videos. After that, you will do rote counting of numbers 1 to 50. Just the way we have done this. So you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So on and so forth until 50. 50 तक आपको लिखना है. So in your maths book. Okay. From 1 to 50. That's what you need to do for maths. Now we'll do EVS. Come to page number 67. Page number 67. It's written designs and patterns. Okay, we have done a couple of them. ये सब हमने already किए हुए हैं. What you need to do is, अभी ये mountain pattern यहाँ पे आप continue करेंगे ऐसे. Okay. You can take any color and you will continue. Similarly, you can take some another color and do this. Or even you can do with pencil. आप pencil के साथ भी कर सकते हो. Okay. So one line, circle. One line, circle. One line, circle. Then this wave pattern. Okay. So you can finish this. Then these leaves. Again, that also you can do with any color. Okay. Similarly, you will finish with this and this. Don't forget to write your name. After doing this much, you can do any design of your choice. Okay. Any design of your choice. So, for example, if you want to do, but don't try not to repeat this. ये repeat करना जरूरी नहीं है. हम दूसरी डिजाइन सोचेंगे और दूसरी डिजाइन्स करेंगे. ओके. सो डू नॉट रिपीट इट. आप एक वेव बना के रख सकते हैं. एंड यू कैन, व्हाट कैन यू ड्रॉ? Probably you can draw like a rectangle up, rectangle down, rectangle up, rectangle down, anything like that. So you will at least draw 3 designs of your own. ये एक मैंने draw करके दिखाई है एक दो और आप ड्रॉ करेंगे. You can even draw straight lines with ruler and do a design between that, just the way it is given out here. Okay, so you can either do straight lines, wave, whatever you like, but you need to do at least 3 designs of your own. Okay, and don't forget to write your name, take a picture and send it to me. Okay, that's all for the day. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye.